I'm using 10 mm strips of blue. So for the first one, I will be choosing the widest square shape. So I'm using the darker blue for it. While starting, I'm adding some glue at the beginning point, and then I keep rolling around. Once done, I will be finishing it by gluing the tip. The first two darker shades of blue are full length, but the lighter one is going to be half length strip. For the next color, I'm going to choose somewhat smaller size of the square. So I'm leaving approximately 3 spaces, and then I'm going to choose the fourth one. I will be needing about 5 pieces in each of these shapes. So I will be marking these exact spots using a permanent marker or some OHP marker, whichever you get, so that I don't miss the counting. You can also use numbering these sizes of squares, so you can easily remember which spot you do, and so that every time you can do it right. For the lightest blue, I'm going to go again 3 steps up and choose the even more smaller size. So whenever I do, I glue the starting point, wrap the paper around completely, and then finally I add some glue to finish it. I make all these 3 shapes at the same time because it makes my work a bit faster than doing them individually. So these shapes are so beautifully made, and then you can take them all out to go on to the next step. You can see all the 3 shades of blue and the different sizes. So now I will be arranging them one inside of the other, and then glue them all as shown in the video. Next, I am going to make more shades to get ready to finish my design. Now I am going to give it a small pinch in the sides so that it is not more of a square, but it is like a rhombus. Now I am going to arrange them, all the 5 elements, like a flower. And for the center part, I am using the same 10 mm wide strips, half of a strip, to make a tight coil and put it in the inner side. Finally, it is time to attach a cord, and then you're done.